So here we've got another expression that we are supposed to find the value of x, and this is our x in our equation. And as you can see, we have got the cube root and the exponent of 2. Now these are not equal, or they cannot cancel each other. Remember, if we have got the square root of a, for an example, we can cancel this by squaring this whole expression, and then we're going to be left with a. This is because the square root of a is equal to a to the power of half, and if we multiply it with 2, this exponents, we are going to multiply it with 2 over 1 in such a way that 2 and 2 are going to cancel each other. The same applies to 1 and 1, and in the end we are going to have a to the power of 1, which is basically a. But here we have got the exponent of 2 and the cube root. The cube root, we know that it is the same as that number which is being cubed to the power of 1 over 3. So this 1 over 3, when we eliminate this cube root, is going to be multiplied with this exponent of 2. So what we are going to do in the next step is to say the square root of 8x all raised to the power 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is the one which is representing the cube root, because we are eliminating the cube root, and this is going to be multiplied with the exponent of the whole expression, which is 2. So this is going to be 2, and this is basically 2 over 1. This is going to be equal to 4, or this 4. So the next step will be to say 1 multiplied by 2, we are going to get 2. 3 multiplied by 1, we are going to get 3. So in the end, we are going to have the same expression of the square root of 8x. This is going to be to the power 2 over 3 is equal to 4. So the next step will be to eliminate the square root. Just like we did in the previous step, the square root is the same as that number, which is 8x raised to the power 1 over 2. And this is going to multiply with the exponents of the entire expression. So 1 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 6. So in the end, we are going to have 8x to the power 2 over 6 is equal to 4. And from there, we can still simplify this expression. 2 into itself, it goes 1 time. Into 6, it goes 3 times. So in the end, we are going to have 8x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 4. Now the next step will be to get rid of this exponent of 1 over 3, because we are looking for the value of x. So what we need to do is to multiply both sides with a reciprocal of the exponent of x. That means that this exponent is going to be multiplied with 3 over 1, because what we did is to take the numerator to be the denominator and the denominator to be the numerator in this step. So 1 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 3. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. So in the end, on the left hand side, we are only going to have 8x to the power of 1, which is basically x. And then we're going to do the same on the left hand side. We're going to say 4 to the power 1, because originally any number is that number to the power of 1 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1, as we did on the left hand side. So 1 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 3. 1 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 1. So this is going to be 4 to the power of 3. And 4 to the power of 3 is going to give you 64. So in the end, we are going to have 8x is equal to 64. But remember, we are looking for the value of x, so we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. 8. So 8 divided by 8x divided by 8 is going to give us x, and 64 divided by 8 is going to give us 8. And therefore our answer is x is equal to 8. Thanks for watching.